Bank reconciliation usually eats an afternoon. I'm going to do a full month in about a minute, no code, no formulas, by handing 2 files to an AI and letting it do the matching. You need 2 files, your bank statement as a CSV and your ledger as a CSV. Same transactions, but the bank writes ugly labels like SQ BLUEBOTTLE and your books say coffee client meeting. Different words, same money. That mismatch is what makes this slow by hand and what AI is great at. I'm in the Claude, I just drag both files into the chat. Done. The prompt is the whole game. Here's the one I use. Copy it from the description. Reconcile these 2 files. The first is my bank statement, the second my ledger. Match by amount, date, and reference number, not by description. Give me 4 lists matched, close but unequal amounts, in bank not ledger, and in ledger not bank. Do not guess or force a match. If unsure, flag it. That last line matters. I'll say why in 10 seconds. 9 clean matches instantly, including that coffee line, matched by amount and date, even though the wording was totally different. And a check recorded on the 28th that cleared on the 31st, matched by check number, not date. That's a timing difference, not a problem. Now the part that needs you. Office Depot. Bank says $142.30. Books say $124.30. Off by $18. That's a transposition typo to fix. And Adobe shows up twice in the bank, but once in your books. That's a double charge you can dispute and get refunded. The rest sorts itself. Fees and interest you just need to record, plus an outstanding check and a deposit in transit that'll clear next month. Here's why that don't guess line mattered. Left alone, AI will force a tidy match to look helpful, so let it do the matching, but you own the exceptions. Every flagged row gets human eyes before it touches your books. That's how you get the speed without losing the accuracy. Sample files and the prompt are in the description. Try it before your real books. If it saved you time, subscribe. Thanks for watching.